Okay, hello everyone. In this very video, we are going to look at number 10 question of the 2021 waec past question. Okay, uh, it says the table shows the distribution of the number of hours per day spent in studying 50 students. Okay, so we have the number of hours per day and we have the number of students. Okay, so this number of students study 4 hours, this number of students study 5 hours, and so on, right? Okay, so calculate the um, correct to two decimal places, the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, we have a total of 50 students. Okay, so what this means is that for 4 hours per day, the number of students that study 4 hours per day is 5, and so on and so forth, right? So put this in a table. Let's start with x, the number of hours. Okay, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, then 9, 10, 11, like this. Then let's put the frequency, which represent the number of students. We have here 5, 7, 5, 9, 12, 4, 3, 5. So 12, 4, 3, and 5, right? Then, of course, to find the mean, we need to find fx, okay? So frequency times, so 4 times 5 is 20 here, this is 35, 6 times 5 is 30, 7 times 9 is 63, 8 times 12 is 96, 9 times 4 is 36, 10 times 3 is 30, 11 times 5 is 55, okay? So here we add all the frequency here. This is 50, total number of students. Then let me use my calculator to check this out. Okay, so we have give me a second. We have 20 plus 35 plus 30 plus 63 plus 96 plus 36 plus 30 plus 55. Okay, so this is giving me 365. So with this I can find the mean, because mean is summation of fx divided by summation of f. That will be 365 divided by 50. Okay, so 365 divided by 50 is 7.3. So the mean is 7.3. Okay, now for the issue of the standard deviation by formula is supposed to be square root of variance, which means square root of, let's say, f into x minus x bar squared all over the total number n, right? So what that means is that I need to know what x minus x bar is. That means each of the x minus the mean, and the bar there means it should be, the bar here means absolute value, so it should be positive. Okay, so, or I can just square it immediately. So let's find x minus x bar squared. Okay, what this simply means is x minus this, then we square it, right? Any number minus this, then we square it. So let's start with 4.x. So permit me to do this. Minus 7.5, right? Give me a second. I have a system to make it easy for me, Okay, so yeah, so we start with the first one. The first one is 4. So 4 minus 7.5 squared. When you say 4 minus 7.5, then you square it, you're going to get 12.25, right? Okay, the next one is 5. When you say give me a second. So when you say 5 minus 7.5, then you square it, you're going to get 6.25. Okay, then the other one is 6. If you do the same for 6, you're going to get 2.25. The other one is 7. If you do for 7, you're going to get 0.25, of course. Then the next one is 8. If you do for 8, you're also going to get 0.25. That's correct. Then if you do for 9 is also 2.25. Then if you do for 10 is 6.25. And if you do for 11, obviously it's going to be 12.25. Okay, but that's not all. We are meant to multiply this. So that's f into x minus x bar squared. So whatever you get here, you're going to multiply by f. So we are going to say 5 times this, we get the answer, and so on and so forth. So let's start with the first one. 5 times 12.25 is giving us 61.25. Okay, then okay, so the other one is 7 and 6.25. So this is going to give us 43.75, right? So the other one is 5 and 2.25. So here we get 11.25. The other one is 9 and 0.25. So this one is giving me 2.25. Yeah, the other one is 12 and 0.25. This is giving me 3.00. The other one is 4 and 2.25. This is giving me 9.00. Then the other one is 3 and 6.25. So this is giving me 18.75. Then the other one is 5 and 12.25. Okay, so this is 61.25. Quite tedious, right? So let's add all of this now. So we have 61.25 plus 43.75 plus 11.25 plus 2.25 plus 3.00 plus 9.00 plus 18.75, okay, then plus 61.25. So everything here is going to give us 210.5, right? So 210.5. So the standard deviation now is going to be equal to the square root of this, which we just calculated as 210.5, divided by the total number, which is 50. Yeah, the total f. This also means summation of f, which is 50. So if we like, we can do all together. So 210.5 divided by 50 and the square root, everything is giving us 2.05. So that is the answer for the standard deviation. Let's see if we are asked to okay, correct to 2 decimal place. This is already in 2 decimal place, so that is correct. Okay, so that is it for number 10. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.